Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Today's video is my paneled pencil skirt by Burda of my fall fashion mood board. Pattern number 116 of September 2010. The skirt is here. It is done. The zipper is in. So I wanted to show you it. But I want to describe the pattern. So the pattern is described as a perfect silhouette due to the half circle seams that goes across the skirt. It doesn't have a waistband, but it does have a vent, two vents actually in the back. Now of those two vents, I made it one because I had some issues with the vent, but we'll talk about that later. So what was fun is I made this dress many years ago, so it was nice to revisit this pattern. Let's get into the specs. So for this skirt, you would need 1 meter of fabric for all the sizes. The sizes run from size 36 up to 44 European size. It is labeled as a 2.5 circle, which means that I think it's intermediate. We have 5 pattern pieces, and two pattern pieces are for the lining because this skirt needs to be lined. At least that's what they say. Of course, you can put your own twist on it, and you would need a zipper. It could be an exposed zipper or an invisible zipper. There's 7 steps to success, and what is interesting, the skirt doesn't have dart of the outer fabric. It doesn't have any darts, but the lining does have 4 darts. There's also one thing or another thing that I wanted to mention, because this skirt or this pattern doesn't have a waistband. I used something that gives the stability of a waistband, and it is interfacing. It is this type of interfacing. Oh yeah, right here. So as you can see here, I used the 1 centimeter, so only the top part. So you just iron it on your fabric. So then I just attach the lining, and it creates like some stability, so there is still a waistband in here. Yeah. So then it looks like this. And the invisible zipper went pretty well. It's not perfect, but I am satisfied with my progress. The skirt had 2 vents in the back, and I decided to make it one, and I'm sure that it's not perfect, but hey, life isn't perfect. This is my vent, the outer and the lining, and it's on this side as well. I tried, people. I tried. I used my twin needle to hem. I love the fabric. It is a French terry. My favorite part, the Alice shirt combined with my pencil skirt. I chose for a print, and I didn't really pattern match or print match or anything. So this is how it's looking in the back. Right here is the invisible zipper, which isn't completely invisible. I still have some tracing thread in there. And I matched it with my new shoes. I got them in yesterday. They are by Aldo, and it is from Zalando. Yeah, but let's get on the stool. So here it is. It is a laced up booty. That's what it is. I have my black tights on, my skirt, my Alice shirt. I'm rocking a head wrap right now and some leftover twist out. And that's it, you guys. The split is right there. I love the length of the pencil skirt. It's just good enough. You know, it's a right length. It's a midi length, I would say, right below the knee. So I really like this look. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and have a great day. Bye.